Who would have thought na sa simpleng friend request mo way back 2014 would lead us to this moment? We were the tamang tao, maling panahon back then. For 2 years, pinagpahinga tayo ng tadhana to be the best versions of ourselves. Finally, tapos na ang paghihintay. Naglakad ako, papunta sa tamang tao, sa tamang panahon, while surrounded with these beautiful people.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat sa kanila. Kasi wala naman po ito kung wala din sila eh.
Maging matatag ka sa pag-aasawa. Kahit na may asawa ka, huwag mo pa rin kalimutan.
Monica Pascual Maawile, this is the day that we have waited, planned, and prayed for. Mula nung i-click ko yung add as a friend noong 2014 sa profile mo, parang doon pa lang in-initiate na yung plano ni Lord para sa atin. Iba yung naramdaman ko nung nakilala at nakasama kita. Sabi nga sa kanta ay, I take one step away and I find myself coming back to you, my one and only you.
You've seen the worst version of me, and you are with me in the darkest and lowest point of my life. Inalalayan at minahal mo ako sa pinakamababang punto ng buhay ko. At mas minahal ako. Kumiyak, nahihiyak ako. At mas minahal ako sa pinakapangit na version ng sarili ko. Tunay nga, pag naging faithful ka sa promises ni Lord, ibibigay niya yung nakalaan sa'yo sa tamang panahon at tamang pagkakataon.
Can't hold a candle to the way you say I love you. You don't have to say a single word. Has a heart like yours hold our world together, and always find a way to love me first. You built the man, built the house, made the house a home, turned days and years to solid gold.
Maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga, sa pagmamahal, sa pag-unawa, at higit sa lahat sa pagtanggap. Everything that happened, everything what we've been through, and where we are today is orchestrated by God. May this wedding be a testament that waiting for God's perfect timing will not be easy, will not be painful, but it's all worth it. You are worth it.
me like only you can. Wish you could see yourself right now.
Nirespeto at hinintay niya po ako in any possible ways you can't imagine.
Change your
Lubig.
life like it changed mine.
So, nagpapasalamat po ako dahil ito pong nasa harap ninyo ang magiging asawa at magiging ama ng mga anak ko.
It's how you make the picture perfect without trying. You don't need to sing like a choir sings.
Sigurado ako na si JM ay bibigay niya ang kanyang buhay sa ating bride. Kaya hindi ako nagtataka kung bakit si JM, nung nakita ang kanyang bride, hindi niya matiis, napaiyak siya.
Me like only you can. Would you love me like only you can?
Kaya simula sa araw na to, ikaw na ang tahanan na aking uuwian. Hindi magagarantiyan ng pagmamahal ko na magiging madali, na palaging masaya, na palaging masagana, pero pipiliin kita araw-araw. Sa kahit anong panahon at pagkakataon. Kaya John Michael, mahal kita palagi.
To me, oh, you don't need to be anything to anyone but who you are to me. Oh, you don't need to be anything to anyone but who you are to me. Don't need to sing like a choir sing. You don't need to ride like
Kaya ngayon, Monica Makawile, buong galing, napatunayan kong ikaw ang dulo ng paghanap ng mga kasama ko sa panghabang buhay. Since day one, always and forevermore, I love you, my baby.
don't need